Hi everybody, I'm Norma, the executive chef here at Brooks Winery. Today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for July, paired with our 2017 La Chenaie Riesling. And it's going to be a pan-seared salmon with Dijon cream sauce, a little bit of Savoy cabbage, and orzo pasta. So to start, you just want to make sure that you have 2 pieces of salmon. These are about 5 ounces a piece. You just want to season them really well with a little bit of salt and pepper. Next, you want to just take your Savoy cabbage, and this I've just very thinly chopped. Lastly, over here we have a little bit of curly parsley, and we just want to chop a little bit of the leaves off. Make sure that you have some orzo pasta cooked. Just follow the directions on the box that you get. You just want to take some thinly sliced sweet potatoes. I'm just going to drop these into a fryer. This is at 300 degrees, and it's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes, and you're just going to fry them just like you would a potato chip. For your salmon, you just want to get your pan very hot and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in the bottom there. And we are going to take our salmon and we're just going to place it right in the pan. I'm gonna get a nice brown sear on top. So now there's a nice crust. It's been about 2.5 minutes. You just want to very gently flip your salmon over. And we're gonna just let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on this side. We're just gonna let this rest while we make the cream sauce. And in here, we're just going to take a little bit of heavy cream. We're gonna take some Dijon mustard. Gonna whisk this up just a little bit. And then we're going to add that Savoy cabbage. And this is going to cook for just 1 to 2 minutes. We're just going to add some orzo pasta. This is just going to heat till it's warm. And to finish it off, we're going to add the curly parsley. Just going to turn off the heat and just mix it all in. So to plate, we're just going to take some of the orzo cabbage mixture, and then a piece of the salmon here. And to finish it off, we have some of those sweet potatoes that we made. And after these came out of the fryer, I just lightly salted them a little bit. And then of course, to finish it off, flowers from the garden up here at Brooks. And that is the perfect pairing for July. And now we're gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. This goes really well together because the wine is a little bit dry, but with the fattiness of the cream sauce, they complement each other so well. So come in this month and try our 2017 La Chenet Riesling with this month's perfect pairing and all the other dishes that I put on the menu. You will not be disappointed. Cheers, everybody. And in memory of what used to be my pony, I don't even know what to do. Got any ideas? Let me know. But for the moment, okay, maybe not that move. Actually, maybe not.